Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at itinan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo in the next 24 hours from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. So, anytime na mapanood nyo to as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. This is also a general reading, so just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment para makapag-book. Okay, Cappies, Capricorn, let us see what's up. Next 24 hours for the Cappies. The Hierophant. Oh, may training, may learning. Because the Hierophant is the energy of a teacher. So, pwedeng merong mentorship, training sa inyo. Let's see what else. Yung iba naman, when it comes to your belief system, your faith, no? Yung paniniwala, mas lalong nagiging strong ang inyong beliefs. You have the 7 of Swords. The 6 of Swords. Some of you are moving away from people na alam mong merong bad influence sa'yo. Pwede kasing meron kang mga nakasalamuha na hindi maganda yung naging impluwensya sa'yo. And, ngayon, iiwasan mo na sila. Pwede kasing, somehow, na nawala ka sa iyong direction, no? Medyo naligaw ng konti. So, ngayon, kumbaga ikaw mismo yung umiiwas sa mga ganyang klaseng tao. You have the Knight of Coins, focusing on your money, building a strong foundation sa iyong career. Wow, 10 of Cups. So, some of you are going to experience happiness, especially in your family life, or personal mong happiness to. No? Pwedeng may achievement, meron kang certain goal na nakuha, na-achieve, ma-achieve in the next 24 hours. You also have the 5 of Wands. So, very much competitive yung iba sa inyo rito. Especially in your career, I feel like you want to be on top. Oo. Kaya siguro may mga tao na will try to challenge you sa trabaho, sa career. Gusto nilang makita ko hanggang saan ka. Oo, hanggang saan ka magtsatsaga. Okay. Let's see your money, career, finances. So, pagdating sa finances mo, you are healing. So, pwedeng yung mga naging problema or issue mo sa kaperahan, unti-unti nang naaayos, nasusolusyonan. Continue to do what's best and you will soon see great results. So, iba sa inyo, unti-unti nakakabayad na sa utang, ganyan. So, ngayon, yung iba sa inyo in the next 24 hours, magbibigay kayo ng oras at panahon sa sarili nyo, lalo na kung kayo ay busy. Pwedeng lalabas, mag-unwind, mag-enjoy. Ayan. And, i-establish mo rin yung credibility mo sa iyong trabaho, sa business, sa career. Napaka-importante niyan, no? Para sa mga taong, you will be working with. Wow, the Boss. You are about to take bigger responsibilities in your business or career. An executive position is lining up for you. Yung finances mo raw, it's getting stronger. Yung iba, maaring may business opportunities kayo na you are your own boss. Yung iba naman, pwedeng kayo ay mapopromote sa trabaho. May opportunity dyan. Meron ka raw bagong idea na may isip in the next 24 hours on how to earn money. Like, bagong source of income. Let's say, for example, nanonood ka lang ng TikTok, tapos nakita mo, may napanood ka na nagbibigay ng advice, how to become a TikTok affiliate. Tapos, inaral mo, and naisip mo, oops, that's a great idea. No? And you will use that para mag-generate ng bagong source of income. Meron din ditong taking responsibility of your actions in the past. Lalo na kung meron ka mga bad decisions sa pagdating sa pera. Minsan kasi, parang dinidibdib na natin na hindi tayo maka-move on. Na iniisip natin, sayang sana pala ito kung ginawa ko to. Wala na. No? Hindi na natin maibabalik yon. So, instead na isipin yung missed opportunity mo. Isipin mo yung opportunity na pwede mo pang magawa para sa sarili mo. We create our own opportunities, 'di ba? You have the Chariot. Some of you may travel opportunities in the next 24 hours. Pwede namang yung iba, kung nagbabala kayong bumili ng sasakyan, mag-loan, ayan, may approval na. In the next 24 hours, mailalabas nyo na yung sasakyan. Maraming communication, maaring meron kayong maraming offers, no, sa work, sa trabaho, sa business. Pero I think mas magiging wise ka ngayon kung alin yung tatanggapin mo. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng may nag-offer, tanggap agad. I think you're going to be more detail-oriented, no? Mas magiging ano ang word na yon? Meticuloso, ayun. Sa pagtanggap. Ayan, Knight of Swords. Three of Wands. You are really improving your finances, Capricorn. In the next 24 hours, you might receive a sum of money, no? Ito yung hinihintay mo na parating. At pwede mong magamit yan sa pagpapalago ng iyong negosyo or pagpapaunlad ng iyong kakayanan, abilities, no? That will bring you more opportunities in the future. There's definitely growth in your finances. So, ipagpatuloy mo lang yung pagiging masipag mo kasi meron yang magandang resulta para sa'yo. Let's see your love life in the next 24 hours. Love life ng mga Capricorn. Soulmate. Labas ng soulmate na to. Yung iba sa inyo, you are dealing with a potential soulmate. Pero may separation. Bakit? baka magkahiwalay kayo ngayon. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng kasal na, no? Tapos, separated na kayo with your person. Some of you, pwedeng kasal sa iba, pero maaring matagal nang walang connection with that person. May separation. And ngayon, you are focusing on a potential romantic partner na sa pakiramdam mo, kayo ay soulmate. Because you resonate with this person. You like this person. And I also see you helping others, no? Pwedeng meron kang tinutulungan na romantic partner ngayon. Okay, you have the Emperor and the Empress. I think itong dynamics ng relationship ninyo, pareho kayo very strong ang personality. Pareho kayong focus sa inyong career, sa mga pangarap ninyo, which is good, no? Kasi syempre, it will give you stability in your finances in the future kung kayo magkakatuluyan. But there are some things na parang hidden dito medyo nakatago. No, pwedeng if this is a new relationship, maaring mas maganda na mas kilalanin mo muna tong person na to, or mismong sarili mo, itanong mo sa sarili mo, are you ready for this person? Ready ka ba mag-commit dito? It's like the intention. Yung intention mo ba is totoo with that person, o yung intention ba ng tao na yun is pure pagdating sa'yo? Consider who you allow to take your energy and who you give it away to freely. Protection. I feel like you're going to protect your energies in the next 24 hours. Ini-encourage yan, no? Na protectionan mo yung energies mo kasi pwedeng may mag-take advantage sa'yo. Wow! May success in the next 24 hours. Believe in yourself and dare to dream big. Yes. So, isipin mo pa rin yung mga pangarap mo, yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay kasi yun yung magiging inspiration mo para maging successful. And of course, bring balance into your life. Hindi naman puro trabaho, trabaho, trabaho. Kailangan meron ka ring time para mag-enjoy. Enjoy mo yung fruits of your labor. You deserve it, 'di ba? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye!